Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to recover your Instagram stories. So let's get started right now. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram account, of course, and as you can see here, guys, let me show you exactly the process. I am going to post a story right now, and then I am going to delete it, and let's see if we can get it, if we can get it back. So at the top left, I'm going to click this plus button. I'm going to post this story, and I am going to click this arrow at the very bottom right, and then I'm going to click share, and then done. Now we have posted this story. So let me show you guys the process on how to get your Instagram stories now. So you want to I'm just going to click this. I'm going to click at the three little dots at the very bottom right, and I'm going to click delete, and I am going to click delete again. So now if you want to get your deleted Instagram stories, just click at your profile picture at the very bottom right, and then click at the three little lines at the top right corner, and then click your activity here, the second option, activity, and then you want to scroll down and then click recently deleted. As you can see here, guys, recently deleted, just click it. And as you can see here, guys, this is the story we have deleted just a few seconds ago. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.